In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Zoho email account. Whether you're setting up a personal email for the first time or simply want to try a new service, Zoho Mail is a great choice due to its robust features and user-friendly interface. So, let's dive right into it and get you set up with a brand new account. First things first, we need to navigate to Zoho Mail's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL ceu.zoho.com/mail. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of options and information about what Zoho offers. Don't let this overwhelm you. Just focus on the task at hand and keep your eyes peeled for the Sign Up Now button under the Personal Email section. This is your doorway to setting up your new email account. With the options laid out before you, you'll notice a choice for the @zoho.com domain under the free plan. Selecting this will ensure you won't incur any charges, and it's perfectly suited for personal use. It's always nice to have a free, reliable option, right? Now, let's get down to the nuts and bolts of creating your account. You'll be prompted to fill out a form. Start with choosing your username. This will be your unique identifier and will precede the @zoho.com in your email address. Something memorable but professional is always a good bet, like your name @zoho.com. Next, you'll need to create a secure password. Remember to make it something that's difficult for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Moving on, you'll need to input your mobile number. This isn't just for decoration, it's an important step for verification purposes. Don't worry, your information is safe, and this step helps ensure that only you have control over your email account. Hit the Sign Up button when you're ready, but we're not quite finished yet. To complete the setup, Zoho will send a one-time password, or OTP, to the mobile number you just provided. Check your phone for a message, and once you receive the code, enter it promptly into the verification field on the website. This will confirm your identity and secure your account. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own Zoho email account. Your new email address will be your name @zoho.com, and you're now ready to explore the various features Zoho Mail has to offer. Feel free to take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and settings to personalize your experience even further. Whether it's for work or personal correspondence, your new email will keep you connected and organized. Happy emailing!